Hello guys, this is Diego from BuddhaBox and I'm here to teach you how to do a proper push-up, okay? We're only gonna take 5 steps until we do a complete full body weight push-up, all right? So we're gonna start on the top, okay? Starting on the top means shoulder retractions, okay? This is a concept that many people doesn't know about it, okay? Because it's basically getting the scapulas attached to your spine. So what it means that you have to have them back and down, all right? Where you technically call in retraction and protraction. So that's how you do repetitions on the shoulders, back and forth, all right? Okay guys, so now we're moving to step number 2, all right? So as we discussed in step number 1 about shoulder retraction, we're gonna use that guidance and now we're moving to the incline push-up, okay? So if you are at home, you guys only need a table, the height would be work for you, or if you are in a gym, we can use one of the plyometric boxes that you are provided on the gym, all right? So I'm going back and I'm gonna show you how we do that. So as we talk about the shoulder retraction, we're gonna get the hands on the box, okay? Make sure that your palms is pushing the box, right? So that's the first point of contact. Get the shoulder retraction on, okay? So that means that my shoulders are back and down. Now I'm gonna squeeze my pelvis. I'm not gonna leave it behind. I'm gonna squeeze my pelvis. I go down on my toes and the movement to do is at my elbows, okay? So as it is. 1, 2, so when you push yourself up, make sure that you contract your chest muscles. 3, I'm gonna show you one more. 4. Okay, so that will be the step number 2. Okay guys, so for the step number 3, what we're doing is just increasing a little bit of a challenge. We're gonna bring the body lowered closer to the ground. If you guys are at home and you found a table for the step number 2, I will ask you to move into a chair, all right? If you guys in the gym and use one of the plyometric box, just flip it around and go to the lower position. Okay, so I'll show you. So as we discussed in step number 1 and step number 2, okay, get the hands on the box, hands on the chair, shoulder retraction, glutes tight, on your toes, all right? So keeping your core nice and strong, in a plank position, you're gonna just bend at your elbows, right? So up, first to push on your palms, 1, and squeeze your chest. We're going one more time down. The starting point to push your body up would be on your palms, all right? So first point of contact is on your palms, and push. Squeeze your chest, one more rep, down, and push. So that will be the step number 3. Okay guys, so step number 4, we're moving into a negative push-up. Okay, if you guys are not familiar what is a negative push-up, it's basically lowering your body into a push-up position, lowering all the way down to the ground into a controlled manner. So we use 5 seconds frame until you reach the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice, back up and repeat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so we have finally arrived to step number 5, a full push-up. So if we put all the pieces together, we talk about shoulder retraction, having the shoulder blades together nice back and down. We talk about your spine and your glutes being compressed and tight. We talk about being on your toes, okay? We also discuss having the core unit stable and the only piece that is gonna flex is your elbows, right? So we talk about the isolation between your elbows and your core. Now that you have reached the push-up, now you can go back home and practice as many push-ups as you want. If you find yourself into different stages, step number 2, step number 3, practice it a little bit more. When you feel comfortable with it, you can move to the next one. And if you already can complete a full push-up, I challenge you to do 100 push-ups every day, all right? So guys, this is Diego from BuddhaBox. Nice to see you, take care.